Good morning, students. Today we will do some more questions of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 5. This is the 18th question. Find the number of non-zero integral solutions of the equation modulus 1 minus I raised to the power x equal to 2 raised to the power x. Here we have on the left hand side modulus 1 minus I. So its modulus is under root 1 square plus of minus 1 square, a square plus b square. A is 1 and b is minus 1 here. Now it becomes root 2 raised to the power x equal to 2 to the power x, and root 2 can be written as 2 to the power half raised to the power x equal to 2 to the power x. Now we can write it as 2 to the power x by 2. ये दोनों powers multiply हो गई equal to 2 to the power x. Now base of both the sides are equal, so we can equate the powers. So x by 2 equal to x. From here you get 2x equal to x. So 2x minus x equal to 0, that is x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the only solution of this equation. So it means there is no non-zero integral solution. Now next one is, if a plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih equal to a plus ib, then show that a square plus b square multiplied by c square plus d square multiplied by e square plus f square multiplied by g square plus h square equal to a square plus b square. Here we can take the modulus of both the sides of the given equation, and these are the complex numbers, so we can use the property of modulus of complex numbers, that modulus z1 z2 z3 z4 equal to modulus z1 into modulus z2 into modulus z3 into modulus z4. So we can write it as modulus a plus ib modulus c plus id modulus e plus if, and like this equal to modulus a plus ib, and modulus a plus ib is under root of a square plus b square. Similarly, modulus c plus id is under root c square plus d square, and likewise the other two. Now to get this equation, we can do the square of both the sides. So squaring both sides, we get a square plus b square and c square plus d square e square plus f square g square plus h square equal to a square plus b square, और यही हमें प्रूव करना था इस इक्वेशन में. Next is, if 1 plus I upon 1 minus I raised to the power m equal to 1, then find the least positive integral value of m. ये हमें कंडीशन गिवन है और हमें m की वो सबसे छोटी से छोटी वैल्यू निकालनी है जो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करे. Here we have a complex number in the denominator, so by multiplying with its conjugate we can rationalize it. So we can write it as multiplied by 1 plus I upon 1 plus I, which is the conjugate of 1 minus I. Now multiply the numerator, we get 1 plus I square plus I and plus I 2i upon 1 minus I square. डिनोमिनेटर में a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square अप्लाई करेंगे. I square is minus 1, so this minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, and in the numerator we have 2i and in the denominator we have 2. 2 gets cancelled and we are left with only I raised to the power m equal to 1. अब m की वो छोटे से छोटी वैल्यू कौन सी है जिससे कि ये इक्वेशन हमारी सेटिस्फाई हो जाए, मतलब i की वो मिनिमम पावर क्या होगी जिसकी वैल्यू 1 आए. and that is, we know that it is 4, so m equal to 4. That's all for today. Thank you.